Guys, what's going on? So in this video I will tell you guys about a very simple strategy, that is BTST, buy today sell tomorrow. So buy today sell tomorrow strategy is a very old strategy, but it works quite well. So in this video I am going to show you guys two stocks, which with which I have been doing BTST. So the time right now is 6:17 and the date is 5th of June. So first of all we are going to search, let's see, in my watch list I have auropharma, Cipla, Devislab, Cadillac, Cadillac Healthcare, and I'm looking for Colpal. So I guess I'm gonna have to search Colpal. Maybe I didn't add it into the watch list, so let's search it over here. So Colpal is right up there. So Colpal had a closing of 1347 on 4th of June, right? So 1347 is the closing price, and I'm making this video on 5th of June in the morning. So after a few hours we'll be able to know if we had bought Colpal at the closing price, then we would be making profit or not. So Colpal, if we can predict, will probably first open at 1347 and dip and then rise, or rise and then dip and then go up, because fmcg and pharma companies are doing good, so it's highly unlikely that it will dip and keep on dipping throughout the day, not crossing above its closing price of 1347, which is highly unlikely. So closing price on 4th of June is 1347, and if we had bought it on 4th of June, actually I have bought slightly above 1347 to be honest. So either way, 1347 is the closing price. So if we buy it at 1347 or at the closing price, and then we can safely predict that the price will, let's say the price will go up from 1347 to 13, let's say target could be 1353, I guess. Yeah, 135, let's say 1359. So 12 points can easily be collected from doing BTST, right? So this could be a really safe strategy, and we could even go up to 1363. So that's what my prediction is. From 4th of June to 5th of June, we can easily collect 12 points. So next I am looking at auropharma. So auropharma had made a closing price of 759. So we are using Yahoo Finance chart to see the closing price of auropharma. So auropharma had opened high, then it kept dipping throughout half of the day, and then it made a little bit of higher highs, and then it started dipping again, and finally it made a closing price of 759. So let's say we bought auropharma, and on 5th of June it will either rise and then dip, or will open with bottom, making a bottom, and then will rise, or will keep on dipping with the previous price, which is highly unlikely because pharma companies are doing good. Highly unlikely. So we can safely predict that auropharma, from its closing price of 759, so 759 was the closing price, and then even if it dips to 756 or 755, we can safely say that it will go up. So the target could be, let's say, the target could be on 5th of June, the target could be 700 and it will go above 770. So because the previous high was 790, and somewhere in the middle the price that we can predict could be 771, right? So 759 being the closing price, and then if we achieve 771, that will be really good, and it will be um like 12 points. Yep. So 12 points by buying one stock at a closing price and then selling the next day is a good strategy. All right, guys, so the market has opened, and let's see if our prediction has been spot on, because it is spot on. And I had predicted that auropharma will be able to achieve at least a target of 771, and the current price, as you can see, is 774. So target is already achieved because we had bought auropharma at 759, which was the closing price. And now Colpal, I had predicted that it will rise and make a high of 1363, but Colpal hasn't come to this price as yet, and let's see um, if it will achieve the predicted target or not, because I kind of think that it is making higher highs right now, and it will easily achieve the target of 1363. That is the prediction. So I'm going to stop the recording here, and we'll see. Right. Okay, guys, so I have added a screenshot at the end of the clip to show that our prediction from 4th of June, that we'll be able to achieve a target of 1363 with Colpal has been spot on, because as you can see that 1347 was the closing price on 4th of June. We had predicted that it will go up to 1363 at least, and it had made a high of 1372. So yeah, the target was achieved. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos on trading. So guys, before ending this video, I am going to make one prediction for 8th of June, that is tomorrow, Monday. Okay, so I have here Torrent Pharma, and the closing price of Torrent Pharma on 5th of June 2020 is 2367. All right, and today, as you can see, is Sunday, 7th of June. So on Monday I can safely say that the price will reach up to 383. 2383 can safely be achieved. It may go even higher, but if we were to buy Torrent Pharma on Friday, June 5th at a price of 2367, which is the closing price, although it had dipped to even lower, but even if we had bought at 2367, 2383, that is 16 points, can be achieved, hopefully. So you guys be the judge, as I'm going to upload this today, and there is no way to know whether I'm correct or not. So you guys go ahead and check it out.